Hey everybody, it's Tracy with CR RV, and today I'm going to take you in and show you what my kitchen looks like right now. We're getting ready to redecorate, and we're doing some remodeling in the kitchen, and I'm going to take you in and show you what it looks like now, and then I'll give you an update and show you what we do along the way. So come on with me, we'll see you inside. Okay, so we're here at the front door, and there's really not much here in the house. This is the dining room right now, as it is. And oh, here, look. I got this Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro vacuum cleaner to keep here at the house. And this is the best vacuum cleaner I have ever owned. I'm so tickled with it. There's my bed that's kind of made. My couch that we had brought back over here. And we're going in the kitchen. Turn some lights on. Okay, so this is the kitchen right now. And it's got the laminate countertops. And they go around kind of in a U shape. We're getting new appliances, new dishwasher, new stove. New microwave with a hood vent, and the countertops are coming out. They are going to be a granite countertop, and the guy was supposed to have already been here actually to remove the old countertops, but they haven't made it here yet. But right now this is what we're dealing with. Back up so you can see all of it. There we go. And that's what we've got. So I can't wait for them to get here and get started working. And we'll show you the progress as it comes along. And the counters are out. My cabinets have got some little nicks on them now, but that's okay. That won't be seen once the new countertops go on. Oh, that was nice right there. I really like that. Knocked some big chunks out. Real hard time getting this piece out back here, and I'm not really sure what they wound up doing. Oh yeah, I am sure. Look, they probably did that. But yes, it's all out and done now. So just waiting for them to come and do the template. And then we'll be able to get the granite in the works. Well, hello guys, we're back again. And I am getting ready to start taking off the light switch covers and the outlet covers for the kitchen. Because on Wednesday, today is Monday, they are coming to take out my countertops. I've got my handy dandy screwdriver here, and I'm fixing to start getting to work. But they came in the meantime, in case I haven't updated y'all on this already. I don't think I They came and they made a template, and I didn't get any video of that. But what they did basically was they came in here with these long strips of plastic, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide, and they started measuring they just laid it out on the countertops, and then they glued them all together with a hot glue gun, and they took that off, and that is what the pattern that they'll use to cut the granite with. Well, on Wednesday they're coming back, so I've got to get all these switch plate covers off, which actually match my china. Let me show you them up close here. Let's see, there we go. And those actually match my everyday dishes. It's a false graph grapevine pattern. But I am probably just going to pack these up and go back with like just a plain, just white switch plate covers, since I'm not sure if I'm selling the house or if I'm staying in it at this point. But we're going to get started, and we'll see you back here, and I'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I've gotten them all off now. I need 2, 4, 6, 8 receptacle covers, those GFI covers. I'm just going to reuse those. 2 double switch covers and 4 single switch covers, as long as I haven't missed anything. And I'm looking around and I don't think I have. So, will be continued. $4.09, that's what you use to clean it? Okay.
Maybe $4.09 even has a stone.
Do you have to seal it or anything? I mean,
it's got a 1 year on it.
Uh-huh.
But I would recommend in a year calling them back. We have a 10-year. Come in, we'll clean it, put the sealer on for you, and you don't have to worry about it.
Well, hopefully within a year it'll be somebody else's problem. So
Are you selling this place?
I am selling it. I'm fixing it up and then I'm getting rid of it. Well, it is done. This is it. It looks awesome. The next step is going to be the tile backsplash. And I am thrilled with how it came out. It looks beautiful. That edge looks a little whiter than it actually is in person. But everything turned out great. There's my 60/40 sink. So we are ready for the tile guy to come and do the backsplash. Get the plumber out here and let him hook up the sink and do some other plumbing repairs. And then we've got the painters and the appliances coming. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait. So we'll see you when we start the next phase of this project.